Good evening, everyone. So now today you are going to go the debate between the both one Harshit Singh versus Saksham Sukhdev. The matter already has been given here, so you will have to keep paces. I think that you will have to watch who is the best, and I think that you will maintain the dignity. So be silent for some time and listen. Tell how much the quality is here and which kind of thoughts they are presenting here. So I think that you can understand better than it. Are you ready?
बॉस का खून बोलता नहीं
So well, once again, you all are welcome at the very only artist level legendary academy. But before starting, I would like to very calm and please and respect sir, honorable ma'am, all the present doctors, class members, judges, anchors, and good evening to one represented over here. So now it's time to introduce myself and sort of stand in front of you all. Sunday 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 and message to the element Bukaya. I want to become an IAS or in my future. My hobbies playing football. My hobbies are playing football and cricket. My eye product because of the better and basically my idol persona pair. So now once again you all are watching to both of us and today we are going to do a very we can say debate on the topic that I am going to tell you very soon. So as I want to firstly introduce with my topic or our topic, which is all about that will AI replace the jobs in the future? Okay, so let's begin. So as I am for the motion, Harshit is against the motion. Firstly, I would like to tell you something about the for the motion that should AI replace the jobs in the future or not. So first I would like to tell you that yes, AI will definitely reduce the or we can say the clean the jobs in the future because what is just happening that we all are watching in our daily life that AI is taking the place in each and every field, whether the field is about the hospital and banking and the education, all that things means the AI artificial intelligence is taking the place everywhere. If we talk about the we can say cashiers, that in the previous time there were the cashiers in the bank, but now automatic transaction machine has taken the place of the cashiers and now there is no need of the cashier, and now what is just happening that only the automatic transaction machine, we all know about the ATMs are working there. So I would like to listen some of the words against my words with the Harshit.
So as Saksham explained about the AI, that means he is saying that the AI will replace the human's job in the future. But according to me, the AI cannot replace the human completely. But friend, I want to ask one question with them that with Saksham Bhaiya, that is that can AI support our students like a teacher? Can AI give a comfort to a patient like a doctor? And can AI fight for a country like a soldier with courage and emotion?
So Harshit Bhaiya, as I want to reply of your question that yes, AI is taking the place in each and every field. We are just watching our teachers. They are even themselves using the artificial intelligence.
But I am asking that can AI support a student like a teacher?
Yes, artificial intelligence can support a student like a teacher because you know very well that in your class also the interactive panels are installed and they are supporting your children's learning with the new creativity as well as they are supporting the curricular activities to the children. And if you want to know about the army section, as you said, that is it there or not. So as in this we can say the Thursday I presented my news report which was all about that we can say artificial intelligence is taking the place in the army sector also, as the drones are now working in the battlefield, as the government has sanctioned that the 50,000 of the drones would be working in the army sector and they would be fighting like a human in the we can say the battlefield.
But I have to tell you that the AI cannot support a student like a teacher. I like to tell you that AI can create images, AI can drive cars, and AI can do everything.
But I want to tell that AI is also supporting to us that whenever we are having doubts, we are from where we are clearing these things. We are just clearing these things from the artificial.
So now I have to tell you that as I told you about the AI can do everything. But the one important thing is that the AI can never understand the mindset of the human. AI can never understand the mind of the human. Even human cannot understand its mind.
But bhaiya, as I am totally against you that yes, artificial intelligence is learning or understanding the human's mind. As I want to give you the example of the Japan, there such a kind of artificial intelligence has come which is reading the human's mind. Means whatever the things are running in their mind, in the human's mind, the artificial is working according to it. And one more example that now the cars in the, we can say, the America and USA, there the cars are also running according to the mind of the human. As I listen this thing in the news that now the cars are running according to the mind, that whatever they are thinking, where should they go. So that's why according to this the cars
Now
are running.
listen to me. The AI cannot understand the mind of human. What happened in America, the one case, there was one boy who was just a year of 13 and 14. So one day his parents begged to him. So at that time he asked the solution of his problem for means from the AI. So at that time, do you know what AI replied? AI replied, just kill your parents. And that boy did the same things with his parents. So we can understand that the AI is creating very dangerous thing.
Do you know the proper things of what the happened actually what does happen
Yes.
in the America? So firstly tell me that what the actually whole the things that happened with that student and their parents.
What happened? That one boy, he was just 13 or 14 year old. So what happened? That he came very late in his home. So at that time, his parents started to scold to him, and his parents started to beat to him. So at the late night, he decided to ask the problem of his question from the AI, and he shared his all situation with the AI, and the AI was giving the such answer like they kill your parents. And at the night, that boy did the same things as AI told to him.
But I want to say to you that you should firstly do that thing that ask with the AI, chat, GPT, Gemini and all that thing. Just ask that today I came late in my house and my fathers and mother were scolding to me. So what should I do with them or what should I? Definitely the AI will never ever say that you just kill to your parents. But I am just disagree with you with this point.
But that this incident happened in the year of the 2017 or 18. Now this thing has improved by our government. But I have to tell you, the AI cannot understand the mind of the human.
But I don't know about this incident that what just happened in the America and that boy. So I don't know about that why AI suggested that just kill to your parents. And I am just disagree with this point that how AI can say that
But
just kill to your parents.
in our 17 and 18 years.
Okay, so now let's come into the point that we are continuing, which is all about the will AI replace the jobs in the future. So what do you think?
So according to me, the AI will do their better thing. Means AI will replace the human in the technology, in the computer line. But AI cannot replace a human in the skills.
But
So what
how AI is also replacing the many or millions of the people in their skills. Just like if a student or if a person is having the skill of painting, art and all that thing. So AI has also come there. AI is doing the paintings, AI is drawing the drawings and all that thing. And if we talk about the skill of driving the car,
What about the sports?
what about the sports? So on that time AI is also supporting there. AI is supporting many of the ways, and also in the future there will be the robots playing the football, cricket and all that thing. As I think that in the future the robots would be playing the cricket, football, badminton and all that things.
So by this reason, I want to tell you one thing, that AI can't do anything. If human will give them the instruction, then AI will do such a type of thing. Otherwise, AI can't do anything. Means there is a role of the human in the AI system.
Yes, Bhaiya, you are right that there is the role of the human in the AI. And I am also agree with you that the artificial intelligence just means that with the human made mind and the human created mind. So, but I want to tell you that now AI has developed a lot, and it is just taking the place in each and every sector. If you want to know about the banking sector, so as I told you that the cashiers have developed, means now the automatic transaction machine has taken the place. If you want to know about the car section and also driving, so that the self-driving cars have taken the place. Means that now there is no need of the driver for driving the car. And also in the education now, air robots are teaching in many of the countries and many of the places. There the robots have taken the place a lot there.
So I want to ask one question with you, that our students are satisfied from this thing?
So it depends on the mind of the we can say children. Just like there will be many of the in the crowd, there will be many of the students who would support the artificial intelligence in their studies. They will think that I should study from artificial intelligence, and there will be lack of the students who will support it.
Okay, maybe AI is the replacing the human in the each means work. But I want to ask one question that is AI will replace the human completely?
भैया को धक्का दे दोगे क्या? You have done well, my child. Don't mind just. Well done. You have done well. The both one. So I think that you have watched the both one. Harshit is in an 8th class, I think, and Saksham in 9th class. So there is a lot of difference. Although they have maintained the dignity and maintained the talking skill, this is very nice, and I think that it will be better in the next future. Okay.